We're going to run a box stair with the wedge clean out turned off, and the landing cuts are set not to cut all the way through the stringer, but instead cut 5/8 deep on the top and 1/8 deep on the bottom, just as a demonstration. So this cut is 5/8 deep. This repeat cut is 1/4 inch deep, and no wedge clean out. If you were to start your next stair geometry on the same board, you would pull the stringer forward to clear for the next unit, and then put in the geometry for the next stringer, and you could start the next staircase.